You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye.
I didn't want to be in here. I'm sorry. Just take me out. Please?
Woody.
What? Please take me out of here. I'll be a good boy. Please take me out. Please?
It's okay.
No, it's not. Please get me out of here. Right? No, don't come near me with that. No. Get away from me with that. Hey, no. No, don't come higher. Do not come higher, please. Am I going to be stuck like this? No, this is not fun. Why do you do this to me? What did I do wrong? I won't do it again. I'll be a good boy. I promise. Just get me out.
It's okay.
No.
Oh, it's okay.
No, it's not okay. Oh, this is not okay. This is not, no, get that away from my face. Get it away from my face. No, I can taste it. It doesn't taste good. Oh wait, it's water. I thought it was soda. No. If you're gonna do this, can you at least pour coffee on me? Woohoo, that was fun. I'm very wet right now. Quit rubbing my tail like that. This is not the kind of massage I want. This is not okay. No. Okay, maybe this is a little nice. But this is not very nice. No. I refuse to like this. I refuse. Okay, maybe that feels a little nice. I'll give you that. I feel so small. I'm already so small. This is not okay. No. A little bit higher. No, a little bit higher. A little. You're almost. No. Not lower. Higher. Oh, yes. Okay. That feels nice. Did I have to be wet for this? Do I have to be wet? There's still so much left in me. Get it out. Oh, that is surprisingly warm. I don't like it. No, leave my paws alone. No. I need to shake. Stop it, I need to shake. Oi. Okay, that's nice and warm. No. Stop. No, not the face. This is not fun. Please stop. I give up. You're not going to stop no matter how much I ask, are you?
No.
Why not? I said please like 5 times.
Because you're dirty.
No, I'm not. That's called fur. It's just brown.
Yeah, but it gets dirty.
No, it doesn't. Brown doesn't get dirty. White gets dirty.
Come here, puppy.
No. What is that? That smells weird. I'm not a girl, dog. That smells too girly. I'm a boy. I should have boy smells. And it's pink. Do I look like the kind of dog who would wear pink? Pink is for girls, like Roxy. Roxy can have pink. She can have all the pink she wants. I'll take the blue. No. That's fine. No, stay away from the face. Not near the face. a drowned rat.
You look like a drowned rat.
I'm not a rat, I'm a puppy. I don't even know what a rat looks like. This is not fun. I hope you feel guilty about this.
Sure don't.
I will come into your dreams tonight and haunt you for the rest of your life.
Oh, promise?
Yes, I promise. I have a mohawk on my head. Do you see this? What is with my head? That was cold. That was very, very cold. No, away from the face. No, I said away from the face. Away from the face. Do you not speak English? You do not speak puppy because you're a human. Humans can't speak puppy. It's a known fact. Could you not squeeze me? Quit squeezing me. Stop squeezing me. Stop. No, no. Ow, 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 ow. That does not feel good. No.
Come here, Bo. It's like a drowned gremlin.
No, that's my eye. Those are my ears. Yes, those are. Okay, that feels a little good. That actually feels kind of nice. Wow. No, okay, I said this couldn't get any worse. Now you have to rub me like that. That's not how you pet a dog. No, no,
Cody, stand still.
Hey, take it away.
Hi.
No. You're being really mean. What did I do to deserve this? Nothing. That's the answer you're looking for. Nothing. This is not okay. I'm being tortured. This is torture.
Come here, puppy.
No. No. This is torture. I'll call the police on you. They'll arrest you and put you in human prison. They'll lock you in a cage smaller than mine.
You don't even have a key.
Did you see it when I did have one, though? That was really small. Oh, this is kind of warm. Oh, I did not give you permission to pick me up. No, no, leave my ear. Oh, whoa, that feels nice. Oh, that felt good. Do it again. Oh, too far. That was too far. Why can't I get dry? You're not drying me very well. I'm still wet. Dry me better. Ooh.
It's okay, Cody.
No,
What's
Mommy,
up?
it's not okay.
What?
She put me in the tub, and then she made me wet, and then she squeezed my legs.
She did?
Yes!
Holy cow!
I know.
What a mean thing.
I know. Maybe I do have extra long toes.
I hope not. That's freaky.
No, that's cool. Just ask Roxy. Have you seen how long her claws are? That makes her... Oh, Mommy, put me down, please. Mommy. Mommy, no, don't go down there.
Well, I'll have to comb you.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy.
What?
No, you've messed with my tail enough.
Well, I'm not messing with it. I'm combing your tail.
That means stop. Mommy.
Oh, stop it. Oh, wimpy.
I'm not Wimpy, I'm Cody.
Yeah, the wimpy Cody.
No.
Yes.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh. There. Get the hair down.
Are you
Hold on.
done?
Hold on. Oh, sure. I comb it. And what do?
What? Nothing felt right. Oh, that smells weird. No, not the face.
I didn't do the face, I did the chest.
That's too close to my face. Thank you.
Oh. Well,
Mommy.
on you, eh? I did it anyhow.
I know.
Are you ready to get up?
Yes. Wait, no. I thought you went up and off the freezer. Mommy.
Hey,
Hi. What?
we're done.
Yeah! If we're done, why are you grabbing my ear?
Yeah, well, I need to see if your ears are
No,
okay.
they're clean. They're perfectly clean. They're fine. You said I was
No,
done.
I need a Q-tip.
A what?
A Q-tip.
How are you going to fit the tip of a Q in my ear? That doesn't make
Because
sense.
that's what I have to do.
No, no.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get down now?
Almost.
You said that an hour ago.
I gotta clean your ears.
You said we were done.
You gotta clean your ears.
But you said we were done. I'm confused. This
You?
isn't fun anymore.
It's not hard to confuse you, right? Hey,
Hey, no.
Stay here.
No. Stop. Mommy.
what?
Mommy, stop. Mommy.
Stop. Stay.
You
stay.
stop. You stop. Mommy, no. Mommy, please. Stop.
Well, I have to check.
Nothing
your ears.
should be going in my ear except my own paw when I have an itch.
Stop.
Stop. You stop. Mommy, I did not
saw
say
something
okay.
there.
Mommy,
What?
please. I want to sniff it.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. It smells
No,
weird.
you don't.
Oh, yes, I do. That smells really weird. Your hand is on my eye.
I know.
Let me sniff it. Just for a minute. Just for a minute. I won't eat it, I promise.
Uh-huh.
No, not the other one.
Yeah.
No. Oh,
I don't want you to get dirty ears.
they're not dirty.
Yes, they were.
No, they aren't. Are we done now?
We're done.
Promise?
Yep.
Yeah! Okay, put me down. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, put me down. Yes, okay, I want to go in.